Happy birthday, Sean!
Whoa! You gotta keep it in there. Oh.
Alright. Blow our horns first.
Oh, I get great, yeah, huh?
Well, first we gotta say happy 21st birthday.
Happy birthday, Jamie!
Happy 21st! Cheers!
Na zdrowie!
Yeah.
Oh! Oh! All right. Get Mom. Mom looks crazy. I'm done.
Look at Mom, Grandma.
Say.
Happy birthday, Jamie. Happy 21st birthday, and we miss you. And we had a lot of fun today without you, but hey, you'll see.
And I want you to try to stay sober because we didn't.
And those noses make you sweat. Grandma.
Happy birthday, Jamie. Happy 21st. What are you going to say?
Happy birthday, Jamie.
Oh, Bob.
We had fun partying over here, and don't get too drunk. I know you won't, so.
Yeah, right.
Right.
How was your 21st birthday?
I don't remember. I
He
think I was
doesn't
too drunk to remember. So. But anyway, have fun. We miss you.
Mom?
Yeah.
No, Mom needs more.
I said.
Happy 21st birthday, Jamie. We love and miss you. Yeah. Have fun.
What she
Yeah,
said.
have a good time.
What she said.
What she said.
Hey
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jamie. Happy birthday to you.
What's the one thing? May the dear Lord bless you.
May the dear Lord bless you.
May the dear Lord bless Jamie.
Happy birthday to you.
We are Siamese, if you please. We are Siamese, if you don't.
Oh, Kelly, look.
Oh,
Kelly. What?
Oh, making a mess.
Okay, Kelly. It's good. Happy birthday. Oh, I got on the camera. All right. You gotta start out slow.
Give me a
Cut.
Cut.